So hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Okay, so gonna be doing like this for the first time, this type of video. Okay, let me know if you like it. Like this is Sunday. Okay, I'm going over my starts of the week, stuff like this. Always doing this on Sundays, and I thought I'm just gonna share it with you guys. Okay, and also like for transparency's sake and stuff like this, I do wanna just go over my full account and just pretty much show you guys everything. Okay, like this PR funded account, I've been taking you along the ride with this since I have it. Okay, so I did pass on the 5th. Okay, on the 22, also on May here. Okay, basically I did pass here. Like I'm also can put this like further back so you can see like nothing changes here. Okay, pretty much here started trading it. Okay, yeah, and here we do have, I do use trade copier. Okay, so and I'm only selecting like this one account here because it's my leader account. The other accounts are just following it. Okay, and I don't want my stats to get screwed because then I would have like 4 times the size on number of trades. I would have 4 times the size of consecutive winners, losers, and stuff like this. So I don't like putting all in here. So I do like to just select one account. Okay, and then just you can multiply the P&L by 4. Okay, like pretty much. So this is my general stats. Okay, since since I have this account. So been a while now, not a while, like not that long, but yeah, for me a while. Let's say it like this. Okay, so I've placed a total number of 231 trades, which is a lot in this short period of time. Okay, not even a month, but I do trade a lot. Okay, like I'm a scalper. I do take a lot of trades each day, but I do think like with these evaluations, okay, especially with these evaluations, it's kind of difficult, okay, to not be a scalper, because if you trade, you only have 2,500 drawdown, for example, on the 50k, which I do, and so you can, if you're trading swing or position like move to move trades and stuff like this, and you need a 3 to 4 point stop, for example, because you're going for bigger plays, you just will have too much drawdown, in my opinion, to pass. So you're pretty much forced to go to the macros. Man, you can do whatever you want, but you're pretty much then forced to go to macros if you're not a scalper. And if you're going to macros, the commissions are so high that it's pretty much not worth it trading with them. Okay, so anyways, with that being said, I'm a scalper, so do whatever works for you. Okay, whatever you want, pretty much. It's just my reflection. Okay, on this account. So I have a total number of 231 trades. I did have one big loser. This was like last week. I did talk about it on my YouTube as well and on post, because I did last week, like I tried to scale on really good setups, like take 2 lot trades, which ended up costing me more than it made me. So the last couple of weeks, so the last 2 weeks weren't the best. Okay, so that's the big loss here. Obviously it also like led to a bigger winner. Average loser is actually like bigger than my average winner, which is kind of not so good. Okay, but I do make up for it with my high win rate. Okay, so I have a pretty high win rate. So this is what I want to talk about. Okay, you, in order to be profitable, okay, you don't really need to have a 1 to 2 risk reward or 1 to 3 risk reward. Okay, obviously it helps if it works for a strategy, but most of retail traders, especially, and also with this YouTube stuff, you always want to go for this 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever. Okay, risk to reward. It's not really what it comes down to in trading. It comes down to expected value. I will be making a video on expected value because I talk quite a lot about it. Fat Cat has a video on it. It's a long video. Okay, might link it down in the description, but I'm gonna do a live video on it as well. So in the end, it's about like your risk reward of the trade multiplied with your win rate. Okay, that's what it comes down to, which makes you either profitable or not. You can have like a 1 to 20 risk rewards trade, but if you're like only winning like 0.1% of your trades, you're still not gonna be profitable. Okay, so I'm taking high win rate trades. It's better for my psychology. Okay, because I like to win and I tilt fast with my emotional state when I'm like losing a lot. So this style is just better suited for me. Okay, I'm not holding my trades long either. Like this was last week, like pulled me down on the stats a little bit. We're gonna look into this week as well. I'm obviously better on my long trades than my shorts. I know that, okay, in general, but also kind of want to work on my shorts as well, because you obviously should be able to trade both. Okay. My max drawdown was 375. Okay, so that was my max drawdown on the account till today. I did pay a lot of commissions already, so my account is only like 1,300 bucks in net profit, but I did make like 2,380 bucks. So that's the downside of being a scalper. Okay, you're gonna pay a lot of commissions. That's why I can't trade micros. By the way, like I would not even be profitable with micros. Okay, like my profit factor is 1 tick and 1.36 ticks, okay, per trade. If I would be trading micros, I would not make any money. Okay, like the commissions would just eat me up. So then let's go to this week. Okay, like going to this week was a lot better. Like the last 2 weeks I kind of played around with some new styles of trading. Okay, I wanted to add 2 lots and keep them running, stuff like this. Like this week I went back to what I know works for me, just 1 lot scalping. Okay, like just quick in and out. Okay, a lot quicker than you can also see it on the average trade time here. Okay, my average hold time is a lot shorter than my from the past 2 weeks. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, also was very good on the short side this week. I only took 9 shorts, but 8 of them were winners. So that no, I took 11 shorts. 9 were winner, 1 scratch, and 1 loss. Okay. Yeah, on the long side, like I'm pretty much 1-to-1 on risk reward on the long side. The shorts are not quite, but this is, yeah, with just 11 trades, this is not really worth looking into, because this was just the 1 loss that was big. But here on the long side I did have more trades, so I did have 81 trades to the long side, 70 trades to the long side. Okay, which about a 1-to-1 risk reward, not quite. I do think like yesterday, like Friday was very bad in the end. Like I tilted a little bit on Friday. Like I had a very good start into the day, then I tilted. You can watch it on the stream. I didn't pull off the stream. Okay, I kind of tilted. I did eat 2 full stop outs in a row, and 1 stop lot was the 4,300 flush. Okay, yesterday. In case you traded, you know what I'm talking about. And I did get slipped by 4 ticks. So my emergency stop, I always exit and enter trades discretionarily. So I rarely let them hit my take profit or stop loss. I enter and exit when I think it's where I think is a good place to exit and enter. Okay, but I have an emergency stop in case something goes wrong, like yesterday. Okay, and I did get slipped by 4 ticks. Okay, which is kind of bad. And also like on the same day, I also had one another trade. Like I went also long, like at 4,010-ish on the first flush down. Okay, there I also got slipped by 2 ticks. So I had 2 very big losers yesterday, which kind of like averages this down, I think, a little bit. So I usually would be around 1-to-1 with obviously like a good win rate, also around 60%, which is my usual win rate. So about 60% win rate with 30% losers and 10% scratches. Yeah, obviously my ME and FE, if you don't know what this is, you should look into it. Okay, this is how much the trade goes in average against you. Okay, ME and FE in your favor at any time in the trade. Okay, before you cut it like to the most. So this is like your true risk reward. Okay, like yeah, let's say it like this. Okay, like but this week the short side was actually pretty good. So might be taking some more shorts next week as well. Although I think that the good short side here and the high win rate on the short side is due to the fact that I'm a lot picky on my short trades. So I might be in general be a little bit more picky for next week. Okay, my weekly goals this week. Yeah, let's talk about this. Like this week, my weekly goals for this week was just going back to my old strategy, which I used to trade. Okay, like no bigger time frame stuff, just looking on the intraday as like just focusing on what's happening right now and scalping this. Okay, like I know I can do this and I know I can do this profitable. Okay, like but I'm kind of limited when it comes to size. I'm kind of limited, so I kind of want to evolve. Okay, it's all for me, it's all about getting better every day pretty much. Okay, like I have the mindset of like getting 1% better every day. Okay, I had this as an athlete, okay, which is my background, and I'm athlete right now. Okay, like I want to get better every day. Okay, or every week at least, some short-term goal, mid-term goal and stuff like this. And I thought like I need to get into bigger time frame stuff, and I need to be able to hold trades longer. like stuff like this. Maybe I get 2 lots in and then scale one out and have the other run and stuff like this. But that led to poor execution, okay, led to tilting faster, like not pulling losers, okay, which led to this big losers, okay, with like stuff like this. So this week I said to myself, like on my weekly outlook for this week, okay, so I did kinda. I'm gonna pull this up for you guys. I always write like a weekly list, okay, what I wanna do for this week and stuff like this, okay, and my weekly goals and then all this stuff, okay. Like this is, by the way, a homepage I'm kind of building right now for you. It's just in the making, okay. It will be eventually like I wanna have the cool homepage for you guys here for our community, but it's just in a very building, so even like the world is not real, stuff like this. But it's in the making, okay. So this one were my goals for this week, okay. This week is all about like mental and execution above everything, okay. So I didn't want to look on my P&L. I didn't even want to check my P&L, okay. Really, yeah, I just wanted to like have proper execution. I wanted to have like my mental state perfectly under control, okay. And I doubled down on visualization drills and stuff like this before my session, after my session, if I'm feeling tilted. That's why I'm so mad at myself for Friday, because I did manage it very well Monday through Thursday, okay. I did stick to all my rules, all my plans. I was so disciplined Monday to Thursday, like I haven't been in a while. And even on Friday, okay, up till like the first hour of trading or so, and then I kind of tilted. I was up for $290 on the day. I didn't really want to give anything back anymore. I was starting to look on my P&L, and then I was like not letting trades play out, and then I this huge flush down stop out, which I kind of entered for no reason really, and stuff like this. So I'm kind of really mad on Friday session. I did thankfully finish it up still slightly in the green, but it's not about the P&L. It's just I didn't fulfill my goals on Friday, which is kind of frustrating for me because I really want them, but it's fine. So also I didn't stick to this, okay. I did it 2 full stop outs in a row, okay, on Friday, and I didn't stop trading for 5 minutes. If I'm happy for the day, okay, with the amount of money I made, I quit. I was happy. I would have been happy with $290 on the account on Friday. Like I should have just quit. So I pretty much broke every single rule I set to myself, okay, on Friday. Like the days prior, not. I stick to all my rules prior, okay. But I think these are pretty cool rules for you guys, okay. For the emotional side of trading. I did pretty much stick to only the setups I'm allowed to take. Did take some other setups as well, but not so much. Here I also put the John Analytics weekly. I can also like go to the calendar stuff here and like just show it to you here as well. Okay, so yeah, this is here the week again. Okay, so I had Monday like no drawdown, like 200, 280, then some drawdown like from the start, from the open, but I came back. Here's some drawdown as well, came back, and yeah, here like not really drawdown, but yeah, I was up like a lot on this day already, and I pretty much gave it all back, which kind of like is annoying to me, to be honest. Also, what I did notice like this week, that during like the first half hour of trading, okay, is not so good for me. Seems like, or kind of good sometimes, but I'm really thriving in the this week I was really thriving from if this like you call it Eastern time, it's like from 10 till 11, okay, like I had really good performance, but then like obviously it kind of fell off again. I think this is mostly because of Friday. Like Monday and Tuesday I already stopped by this time because I was happy, and one of my rules, like I said earlier, like one of my rules was if I'm happy for the day I quit. And I did this on Monday and Tuesday. I was happy for the day with the amount of money I made, so I quit. And on Friday I made the same amount of money at this time of day, like even more actually. And I should have been happy with the day and just walked away and quit, but I didn't, okay. Like this is why it's so important to stick to your rules, okay, everyone. Anyways, These are my stats. I don't know if you're like interested in if you're interested at all like in videos like this. Like I mostly like kind of want to just put out educational content, to be honest. Okay. Because I think like from educational content you do have the most. Okay, like yeah. Um, you obviously do have the most or get the most out of educational content, in my opinion. Okay. But obviously, if you like, the month of June is doing me well, like no losing day yet. Let's not, yeah. Anyways, like, but if you're like interested in stuff like this, okay, like journaling, backtesting, anything like this, obviously, I can get into this as well, okay, and I can do videos like this. Just let me know if you're interested. I'm doing this anyway, okay, so like I'm doing looking anyway. At my trades and stuff like this, okay, like I'm looking at anyways, okay, like, I'm checking anyways my stuff, my performance, but yeah, just let me know, okay. Anyways, guys, that's it from this video, okay. That's just for the for this recap, okay. Let me know if you like videos like this. If you do, okay, turn on the bell, like button, whatever, okay. Join my Discord if you haven't already, okay. Like I'm trying to build a community of very motivated, okay, traders who are always willing to improve, okay, and look to get better every day. If you want one of those, like join me, okay. I do just want to mention the Discord at the end of the video, because I think like if you're watching this till the end, like then you might be actually interested, okay. But what I don't want there is like people just looking for the next best buy sell indicator or anything like this, really, okay. If you're one of those guys, then just please don't waste my time. But if you're actually motivated, and you want to improve and want to get better, like join us, okay. Like well, as I said, I'm also like working on building a homepage. Might take a while, okay, but yeah, I'm trying my best, okay, like doing as much as I can. And I yeah, just trying, okay, like I'm trying to help out as many people as possible. Okay. With that being said, okay. See you guys in my next video, okay. Peace.